Hey, what up everybody? We're here at the corn maze for our annual trip. The girls are ready to go crazy out here in Lathrop, California. Crazy place with tons of stuff. Can't wait to see it all. It looks pretty cool to me. Look at these guys. Rolling. Audrey, look this way. Which way, Pay? You wanna go this way? Let's follow Audrey.
I'm excited to see that.
You have to get in all of these. Curve your way up, Audrey. Curve your way up. I think it looks good. We're all right.
But look at that.
Like a bird ate that corn.
You found it. Number 4. Big steps. Audrey, what do you see? Do you think we're going the right way?
I think the right corn.
This way. Lots of corn. We gotta keep up. Show me how fast you are. I just got corn up my butt. Show me that speed.
Melons?
We found another one.
I wonder what they mellowed out. Melons, turnips, squash, or cucumbers.
Uh-huh. Hey, Pay, you gotta let him up.
We're going down. Daddy, let's just go down.
Hold on. We're sitting up here for a minute.
Whoa.
Pay, wait.
Wow. What is it?
Huh? There comes the train again. I said, here comes the train again. Alright, Curtis got us through the first part of the maze. Come on, girls.
Daddy, my shoes untied.
Oh, I'll help you out.
No.
We found number 2. Hi, girls.
Hi.
We're cooking with gas, aren't we?
Yes.
It's a lot faster than last year.
Yeah.
Uncle Curtis knows his maps. Ah! What are you singing?
I love you. I love you. I like grow. I like grow. I like tail. I like worms. I like cow. I like I like
What are you doing?
Wow.
Cheesing?
Oh, your butt to the left. Yeah.
What are you doing? Bunny, bunny, foo, foo, hopping through the forest.
Bunny, bunny, foo, foo, running through the forest. Bunny, foo, 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 foo.
Where are we at, Pay?
Come,
Are we on top of the corn maze?
look up. Look. Daddy, the ghost is over there.
Uh-oh.
What?
Looking for the ghost. Hey, Pay, that's the stand we were on a minute ago over there. See that? Across the way, you're not looking. Over here, Pay, look where I'm looking. We were up there a minute ago. See the bridge over there? Now we just have to make it over to that bridge.
Bunny, bunny.
Then we can go play in the play stuff. We're making real good time this year. Audrey, we're almost done. I'll hold you in just a little bit. Let's walk. There's Uncle Curtis. Come on. You're doing so good. We're going to go ride the rides in a minute. You know about the monkey in there? Have you seen him yet?
No.
He's in there. He's in that corn. Hey, look at that. Who are you? You see the monkey pay?
Yeah, we still got part of a
wrong
maze to
video.
go through.
Look, we're on top of the world. Yay! Hey, how's it feel to complete the maze?
I can see you.
How many questions do you think you got right?
You didn't see me? I was out there.
There's monkeys that live out there.
There's monkeys out there.
There's monkeys. They're trying to eat all the corn. We can take them some bananas. Oh, yeah?
Just under 2 hours, yeah.
I got roller skates.
You got roller skates?
Huh?
There's the tractor rides. Ropes course. Railroad crossing. Watch out for the train, Audrey. Yes? Train's pulling up. Come on, Audrey. Yes?
Can we please go on the fire first?
Sure. I'm going with tires now.
This makes me want to watch Ultimate.
Go, go, go. Woo! Go, Pay, go. Audrey's gonna win. You got it? Can you pedal? Uh-oh, Audrey. Jump back on. Go, Pay, go. Keep pedaling. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Woo! Go, go, go. Be right there. Ah! Oh, they're still so squishy. This way. Come over here, Audrey. Oh, Peyton, you made it up. Good job. Audrey's up. Are you the king of the world? Oh, shoot. Looking good.
No.
Yeah, you look like a ghost. Yeah.
What's the train do, Pay? Choo choo!
Chugga chugga. Choo choo.
Okay, would you like to buy something from here?
Yeah.
Did you want to buy something?
I think the best.
What do you see, Audrey? What do you want, Pay? Where are you going? Are you running away? Audrey, what do you think about the kids on the go-karts? They're fast. Pumpkin Man!
Then we'll see it pretty.
Mm-hmm. Pumpkin painting. Don't touch.
Hey, Black. I got it right here.
Right there is an artist in the making. Perfect pumpkin. See Audrey's? She did good. She did a good job. It's really cool how she spelled her name in paint, even though she doesn't know how to say it, but alright. Is that your buddy? I saw you holding hands like your boyfriends. See your boyfriend? You see your boyfriend, Pay? You love him? You like him? Is he scary? Ah! You like him, Audrey? What's he look like?
He's always scary.
Does he look like me?
He does kind of look like you.